Dearest friend, welcome to EduBook Reads USA, where today we open a new chapter together. Imagine a book, its pages blank, its story unwritten, waiting for you to pen its tale. This is the promise of Life After 21 Days by Plancourr, a gentle guide to crafting a life radiant with purpose and possibility. In just 21 days, you can plant the seeds of change, nurture dreams long dormant, and step boldly into the story you were meant to live. Whether your heart yearns for growth, peace, or courage, this journey is yours to claim. So take a deep breath, let hope settle in, and join me as we explore how 3 tender weeks can bloom into a lifetime of transformation. Grab a pen, open your heart, and let's begin writing your masterpiece.
Book Section 1, The Power of 21 Days. So, why 21 days? The idea comes from Dr. Maxwell Maltz, who noticed it took his patients about 21 days to adjust to new changes, like a surgery or habit. This concept took off in self-help circles because it's short enough to feel doable, but long enough to see real results. Life After 21 Days taps into this idea, suggesting that in just 3 weeks, you can shift your mindset, build new habits, and start authoring the life you want. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Think of it like planting a seed. In 21 days, you're not growing a full tree, but you're giving it a strong start. Let me tell you a quick story. A few years ago, I was stuck in a rut. I was scrolling through life, feeling like I was on autopilot. Then I decided to try a 21-day challenge, waking up an hour earlier to work on my goals. It wasn't easy, trust me. My snooze button and I were best friends. But by day 21, I felt more energized, focused, and in control. That's the magic of 21 days. It's a sprint to kickstart your transformation. The first step to changing your life is figuring out your why. Life After 21 Days emphasizes that you're the author of your life, but every great story needs a purpose. Ask yourself, what do you want? Maybe it's a healthier body, a new skill, better relationships, or just more confidence. Get specific. For example, instead of saying, I want to be fit, say, I want to run a 5K without stopping. That's a clear target. Here's how to find your why. Take a moment to reflect. Close your eyes and picture your ideal life. What does it look like? Who's with you? How do you feel? Write it down. This is your North Star. When things get tough, and they will, your why keeps you going. I remember when I started this channel, my why was to inspire others while pursuing my passion. On days when I wanted to quit, that vision kept me posting. Pro tip, create a vision board. Grab some magazines or use Pinterest to collect images that represent your goals. Put it somewhere you'll see every day. It's like a daily reminder of why you're doing this. And don't worry if your why evolves. That's part of the journey. Book Section 3, Set SMART Goals. Now that you've got your why, let's talk goals. Life After 21 Days is all about taking action, and that starts with setting goals that actually work. Ever heard of SMART goals? Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Let's break it down. Imagine you want to read more. A vague goal like, I'll read more books, is easy to ignore. A SMART goal would be, I'll read 10 pages of a self-improvement book every night for 21 days. It's specific, 10 pages, measurable, you can track pages, achievable, 10 pages is doable, relevant, it aligns with your growth, and time-bound, 21 days. Here's a challenge. Pick one goal for the next 21 days. Maybe it's drinking more water, journaling daily, or learning a new skill. Write it down in SMART format. For example, when I wanted to improve my fitness, my goal was do a 20-minute workout 5 days a week for 21 days. By day 21, I wasn't shredded, but I felt stronger and more consistent. Share your SMART goal in the comments below. I'd love to hear it. And if you need ideas, check out the description for a free 21-day goal-setting template I made for you. Section 4. Build habits that stick. Goals are great, but habits are the glue that makes them stick. Life After 21 Days likely dives into habit formation. And here's the deal: habits are built through small, consistent actions. Research shows it can take anywhere from 21 to 66 days to form a habit, but 21 days is a perfect starting point. Here's a trick: stack your habits. Pair your new habit with something you already do. Want to meditate? Do it right after brushing your teeth. Want to journal? Write one sentence after your morning coffee. I started reading 10 pages a day by keeping a book on my nightstand. After I turned off my phone, I'd read. By day 21, it felt automatic. Another tip: track your progress. Use a habit tracker. There are tons of apps, or just mark an X on a calendar for each day you complete your habit. Seeing that streak grow is so motivating. And don't aim for perfection. If you miss a day, don't quit. Just get back on track. Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Book. Section 5. Stay accountable. Let's talk accountability. It's one thing to set a goal, but sticking to it, that's where the magic happens. Life After 21 Days probably emphasizes taking responsibility for your own path. And I agree. You're the author, but even authors need editors. Find an accountability partner, someone who will check in with you. It could be a friend, family member, or even this community. Post your progress in the comments or join our Discord. When I started waking up early, I told my best friend, and knowing she'd ask about it kept me honest. You can also use rewards. Promise yourself something small, like a coffee date or a new book, if you hit your 21-day goal. It's like giving your brain a high five. And don't forget to reflect. Each week, take 5 minutes to journal. What's working, what's not, adjust as you go. Book. Section 6. Embrace resilience. Here's the truth: the 21-day journey won't be perfect. There'll be days when you're tired, distracted, or just not feeling it. That's okay. Life After 21 Days is about becoming the author of your life, and every great story has conflict. When I hit roadblocks, I remind myself setbacks are lessons. Maybe you skip a workout or eat that extra slice of pizza. Don't beat yourself up. Ask, what can I learn? Maybe you need a shorter workout or a meal prep plan. Resilience is about bouncing back, not avoiding the fall. Visualize your success to stay motivated. Picture yourself on day 21 feeling proud and accomplished. And use affirmations. Tell yourself, I am capable of change. It sounds cheesy, but it works. Your mind believes what you tell it. So, what's your life after 21 days? It's a life where you're in the driver's seat. You're not just reacting to the world, you're creating it. Life After 21 Days by Plancourr reminds us that we have the power to author our own story, one small step at a time. Start with your why, set SMART goals, build habits, stay accountable, and embrace resilience. You don't need to change everything, just one thing, for 21 days. I challenge you. Pick one goal and commit to it for the next 21 days. Share it in the comments and let's hold each other accountable. I'll be checking in, so let's do this together. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video. Want more tools? Check out the free resources in the description, including a habit tracker and goal-setting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's write our best story yet. And so, dear friend, we stand at the threshold of your life after 21 days. In these 3 weeks, you've been invited to become the author of your own tale, a story woven with purpose, resilience, and quiet courage. Life After 21 Days by Plancourr whispers a truth. You hold the pen, and each small step is a sentence in the grand narrative of your life. Begin with your why. Let SMART goals light your path. Nurture habits with care, hold yourself gently accountable, and rise anew with every stumble. I invite you to choose one dream, one goal, and gift it 21 days of your heart's devotion. Share it in the comments below, for in sharing, we weave a tapestry of dreams together. If this journey has stirred your soul, let it linger. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and let the bell chime for more chapters to come. In the description, you'll find gifts to guide you, a habit tracker, a goal-setting map. Thank you for walking this path with me. Now go forth and write the story only you can tell.